Hola, bienvenidos a Habla Conmigo. Today we are working on introductions to emotions. Feliz. Feliz means happy. Now repeat after me. Feliz. 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 Feliz means happy. Triste. Triste means sad. Now repeat after me. Triste. 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 Triste means sad. The next words, the end of the word will either have an O or an A, depending if you are a male or a female. So for example, there's sorprendido and sorprendida. So the O is referring to a male, the A is referring to a female. So sorprendido and sorprendida means surprised. Now repeat after me. Sorprendido. 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 Or sorprendida. Sorprendida. Sorprendida means surprised. Enojado, enojada means angry. So enojado is an angry male. Enojada is an angry female. Now repeat after me. Enojado, enojado, enojado. Enojada, enojada, enojada. Enojado or enojada is an angry male or female. Asustado, asustada means scared. Asustado, asustado, asustado. Asustada, asustada, asustada. Asustado and asustada is a scared male or female. Emocionado, emocionada is an excited male or excited female. Now repeat after me. Emocionado, emocionado, emocionado. Emocionada, emocionada, emocionada. That's an excited male or female. Emocionado, emocionada. Cansado, cansada means tired. Repeat after me. Cansado, cansado, cansado. That is a tired male. Cansada, cansada, cansada. That is a tired female. Cansado, cansada means tired. Frustrado, frustrada means frustrated. Frustrado is a frustrated male. Frustrada is a frustrated female. Now repeat after me. Frustrado, frustrado, frustrado. That is a frustrated male. Now repeat after me. Frustrada, frustrada, frustrada is a frustrated female. Frustrado, frustrada means frustrated male or female.